Here we come to the elevator at the Hagler Center at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. And y'all already know why I'm holding my Dover impulse button, because we got ourselves yet some more Dover impulse, and I nearly almost dropped my phone, I'm sorry. But anyways, let's ride, here we go. Ooh, what a nice cab. This thing's fancy. This one's from 1999. Wow, this is a beautiful cab. Wow. I didn't expect to see this cab so decorative before. And it's brass too. All right, full sound trip, here we go. Look at this cab. This is almost like what you find in a hotel. This is one of the nicest elevator cabs I've ever seen before. I was expecting to see like a basic type of Dover elevator. And what's interesting is that the COP is brass, but the outside is steel. This is interesting. All right, we'll go back down to one end there. I really want to take a detailed look at the cab. Now you know why I've been showing my Dover impulse button constantly. Look at this cab. I just want to give a big thank you to the front desk staff for letting me check this elevator out. Big thank you to the front desk staff for letting me check out this elevator. See, look at this. See, the inside is brass, but the outside is just your standard, regular stainless steel. Thank you so much. And with that being said, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.